Betting should be smart, and you should always objectively want the best price when you bet. Now, betting markets are pretty efficient. That means if you're offered odds of 2.0, i.e. evens, you're very likely getting a 50-50 chance. Although once bookmakers' margin is priced in, you're probably getting odds implying a 50-50 chance on something that has less than a 50% chance of happening. Bookmakers know that generally they get these probabilities about right, so they all generally seek to be very much in line with their competitors when it comes to prices. Looking at OddsChecker, betting £10 on the Netherlands and Senegal game, and betting on the Netherlands to win, wins you £17 in the best case and £15.50 in the worst case, depending on which bookmaker you're betting with. So thanks to these comparison websites, there is very little variation across the market. However, newer markets like player shots, shots on target and assists aren't on OddsChecker. And guess what? As a result, there is much more variation in these odds. Remember, we are confident that the market does a much better job of pricing probabilities than us punters ever will. It's their entire business. But this makes outlying prices much more interesting when we find them. Let's look at a quick example. Senegal versus the Netherlands and Crepin Diatta to get over 1.5 shots, here on Boyle Sports, is priced at 11-4. That means if you bet £10, then you're going to win £37.50 if Crepin Diatta gets over 1.5 shots. However, betting the same amount of money on Bet Victor on the same thing, Crepin Diatta 2+ shots, is only going to win £16.67. That's a whole difference of £20 just from where you have placed your bet. Similarly, Sky Bet, £17 from a £10 bet, Betfair, same odds, Ladbrokes and Coral offering £19 from a £10 bet. So it's really important to get the best price when you bet. This example came from data I've been collecting on a wide range of bookmakers' prices in these markets, and I absolutely see these outlying prices all the time. I'm going to be making this data available via a private Telegram channel, linked in the description. And of course, I don't want to make it widely available given that this will mean all these opportunities quite quickly go away. If we effectively build a comparison site that's equivalent to OddsChecker, then bookmakers end up, as always, colluding on price and making less advantage for the punters.